In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a voice from your ElevenLabs account. Whether you're looking to clean up your personal collection or manage shared voices in the voice library, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, if you're dealing with a personal voice, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by signing into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Voices section. Here, you'll see a list of all the voices you've created or uploaded. Browse through this list and locate the specific voice you want to delete. When you found it, look to the right of the voice name. You'll notice either 3 small dots or a View button. Click on this and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete Voice. Now it's important to pay attention to the next step because deletion is permanent. You will be prompted to confirm that you indeed want to delete this voice. Go ahead and confirm, keeping in mind that this action cannot be undone. This way, you ensure that you're certain before the voice is completely removed from your account. Now let's consider how to delete a voice if it is shared with the voice library. The procedure has an extra couple of steps, so listen closely. Again, start by going to the My Voices section of your account. This time you'll be looking for a voice that you shared with the voice library. Once you've spotted it, click on the 3 dots next to the voice. A menu will pop up and you'll want to select Share Voice. Here you'll see the option to Publish to the voice library. Simply toggle this option off to stop sharing. It's an important step as it ensures the voice is no longer publicly available. With the sharing turned off, you can now proceed to delete the voice. Go back, click those 3 dots once more, and select Delete Voice to permanently remove it. By stopping the sharing first, you take full control of your content, ensuring its complete removal from public access before deletion. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to delete voices from both your personal collection and one shared in the voice library in your ElevenLabs account. It's always a good idea to regularly review your voices to keep your library organized and ensure you're only holding on to the ones you truly need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.